Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Sami from Career Guidance Council team, and so we are starting off today's most awaited session on how to create a website in 1 hour. I hope you are all excited about this. And before starting the session, I would say Happy Independence Day to all of you, and may we keep prospering our country and keep adding our success along with the country. So to start with, let me record this. Okay, so let me introduce first the speaker of the day. It's Syed Hyder Ali, who is a e-learning specialist and works for a company who is specialized in e-learning and create various websites, various online portals, various online. They design online structures for various companies, and he has a experience of more than 5 years in field of e-learning, IT, digital marketing, and very passionate about his work. And we always wanted him to conduct a session on this topic, which is very hot in the market. And to introduce our organization as well, we are Career Guidance Council. We are an NGO started in the year 2008 with a group of professionals into the and we the basic purpose of having this team into the market is to bridge the gap between what is expected into the industry and what is being taught in the academics. So the basic purpose is to help the candidates get the job. So for that purpose, we conduct session. Now in the lockdown situation, we are conducting various webinars on different topics on Saturday and Sunday. So those who are not part of our WhatsApp can message. We'll share down the line while we conduct this session. We'll share our helpline numbers where you can just put a message and we'll add you to the groups. So keep in touch with us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere we are. So keep in touch, and I'll not take much of your time. You can go yourself and get the detailed introduction of ourselves in our website as well. So over to the speaker of the day, Mr. Syed Hyder Ali.
Thank you so much, Sami bhai, for great introduction. So let's get started, guys. Today I'll speak in Hindi because I got so many requests from my network that they want this webinar to be in Hindi. Okay, so I hope everyone is comfortable in Hindi. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 1 घंटे में कैसे वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन करें इजीली बिना कोडिंग के। तो पहले मैं आपको एक ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ हम क्या क्या करने वाले हैं इस 1 घंटे में। मैं आपको सॉफ्टवेयर दिखाऊंगा जिसमें हम वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन करने वाले हैं और प्रोटोटाइप क्या होता है, कैसे बनाते हैं प्रोटोटाइप। वेबसाइट हम एक डिज़ाइन करेंगे और उसके अंदर मॉडिफिकेशंस करेंगे। एंड ऑल्सो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि डोमेन क्या होता है और होस्टिंग क्या होता है। सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हम आज सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है मोबिराइज। It's basically a software where we can just build a website by drag and drop elements. इसमें आपको elements pre-build मिलते हैं जो कि आप सीधा drag and drop करके वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं। मैं आपको कैसे डाउनलोड करना है सॉफ्टवेयर वो दिखाऊंगा, देन कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं। तो ये रही उसकी वेबसाइट मोबिराइज। आपको इसके लिए गूगल में जाना होगा, open a new tab, ये रहा उनका फर्स्ट वेबसाइट। जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट। यहाँ पर आपको 2 ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे। जो मैक यूजर्स है, मतलब जिसके पास एप्पल का लैपटॉप वगैरह है, दे कैन यूज दिस वन, एंड जिसके पास विंडोज है दे कैन यूज दिस वन। सो सिंपली क्लिक ऑन डाउनलोड। यहाँ पे आपको आपका ईमेल आईडी देना पड़ेगा फाइल डाउनलोड करने के लिए, और आप आपके जीमेल के साथ या फेसबुक के साथ भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं आपको जीमेल के साथ लॉगिन करके दिखाऊंगा। डाउनलोड फॉर विंडोज़। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सेटअप डाउनलोड हो गया। मैं आपको ये इंस्टॉलेशन करके अभी नहीं दिखाऊंगा बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी, यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इट, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट कर दीजिए, सेटअप हो जाएगा। तो हम बढ़ते हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के ऊपर। व्हाट इज प्रोटोटाइप? प्रोटोटाइप क्या है? वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए देखिए अभी होता क्या है, रियल टाइम में क्लाइंट हमें रिक्वायरमेंट देता है कि मुझे एक वेबसाइट चाहिए रेस्टोरेंट के ऊपर। हम क्या करते हैं, एकदम से सीधा वेबसाइट बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं। पर बाद में क्या होता, क्लाइंट बोलता है कि नहीं मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया, ये ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, वो वैसा रहना था, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होते। तो उसके लिए बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस क्या है कि आप पहले एक प्रोटोटाइप बना लें। वो कैसे बनाते हैं? देयर आर टू वेज। वन इज स्केच, माय फेवरेट वन। आप एक पेन पेपर ले लीजिए और उसके ऊपर डिज़ाइन बना लीजिए, जैसा कि आपको मेरी लेफ्ट साइड की इमेज में दिख रहा है यहाँ पर। इसके अंदर मैंने एक पेज ले लिया, एक यहाँ पर वीडियो आता, हियर वन एड बॉक्स, यहाँ पे एक चैट बॉक्स एंड यहाँ पे मेन्यू वगैरह रहता। अगेन यहाँ पे एड बैनर्स रहते। तो इससे होगा क्या, आपको एक ओवरऑल आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि आपका आउटपुट कैसा आने वाला है वेबसाइट का। आप ये क्लाइंट को दिखा के अप्रूवल ले ले सकते कि वेबसाइट का लेआउट ऐसा रहेगा, तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर देम एंड अस आल्सो। ये हो गया एक तरीका। दूसरा तरीका होता है कि ऑनलाइन थोड़ी टूल्स रहते हैं जिसके अंदर आप जाके सेम अगेन ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके, जैसे आपको मेरे राइट साइड हैंड पे इमेज दिख रहा वैसा इमेज बना सकते हैं अपन। उसके अंदर क्या होता है कि थोड़ा रियल टाइम फील आता है कि कैसा दिखने वाला है। आप इसमें इमेजेस वगैरह अपलोड कर सकते हैं एंड लाइक यू नो सेम सेम थिंग, इमेज लगा सकते हैं, चार्ट लगा सकते हैं। इसमें आपको ड्राइंग करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बस ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप रहता। अगर आप प्रोटोटाइप बनाना चाह रहे हैं किसी टूल के जरिए, तो व्हाट आर द बेस्ट टूल्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट? सो दिस आर द 4 टूल्स आई रिकमेंड। आपको इसमें फ्री ट्रायल मिल जाएगा, आप इसके अंदर जाके लॉग इन कर सकते हैं एंड साइन अप एंड लॉग इन करके यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट डिजाइनिंग द प्रोटोटाइप। बट टू स्टार्ट विद अगर आप अभी स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं, आपका स्टार्टिंग है, आप पहली बार वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, तो आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए डायरेक्ट वेबसाइट बनाना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो हम इसके अंदर ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, हम देखते हैं कि सीधे वेबसाइट कैसे बनाते हैं। अभी मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक वेबसाइट बना के दिखाऊंगा वो टूल के ज़रिए। ठीक है, दिस इज़ माई एप्लीकेशन, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट।
Again, little bit slower. Like it's a little fast. Again,
अच्छा,
slow.
ओके ठीक है। तो ये रहा हमारा टूल जिसके अंदर हम वेबसाइट बनाने वाले हैं आज। हाउ कैन आई हाइड दिस? ओके परफेक्ट। सो एज यू कैन सी, जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है मेरा स्क्रीन पूरा ब्लैंक है, कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर। और मैं आपको बोला था हम बिना कोडिंग के वेबसाइट बनाने वाले हैं। इसमें आपको कोडिंग का कुछ नहीं है एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ मोबाइल फ्रेंडली वेबसाइट। मतलब आपका वेबसाइट और कंप्यूटर के अंदर भी अच्छा लगेगा, कोई मोबाइल में खोलेगा तो उसके अंदर भी एकदम परफेक्ट आएगा। सो ऑल वी हैव टू डू इज, हियर यू कैन सी वन प्लस आइकॉन, आपको इस पे क्लिक करना है। यहाँ पे आपको एक लिस्ट आ जाएगा। दिस आर कॉल्ड प्री बिल्ड एलिमेंट्स, मतलब पहले से ही इसके अंदर डिज़ाइन बने हुआ रहता। तो आपको आपके हिसाब से इसमें जो चाहिए, जैसा डिज़ाइन चाहिए, आप वो सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। पहले तो मैं आपको मेन्यू में बताऊंगा। यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप 2 ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे पास, एक ब्लैक हेडर है एंड एक वाइट हेडर है।
So they have can you continue in English? You can
Okay,
have go to another session outside, or you can use a mix of.
sure, perfect. I will do that.
Yeah,
So guys, as you can see here, we have 2 headers. One is black one and one is white one. So we have multiple options. We can choose anyone from this. So by default it is black. I'll keep as it is. Second, we have header options. So as you can see here, we have multiple header options. Let me just come here. I will remove this one. Okay, to remove this, all you have to do is just click on the settings icon and click on this delete icon and just confirm remove block. Okay, so now it is removed. I'll go here, I'll click on headers, and to me which one is looking good? I think this one. I'll just drag it and drop it here. Cool. So our header is ready. Intro you can say. After this, let's click on the counts. Now I want to show some stats like कितने लोग हैं या what कितने साल से हम सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, those details. So again in count I have multiple options. So from this I will take this one. I'll just drag it and drop it here. Awesome. Here my stats are ready. So what we'll do is first we will create our layout, then I will show you how to modify everything. So let's continue with other things. I'll show you all the features, okay? So it will be easy for you to do it when you are doing practice. So let's click on the images and videos section. So here I will choose images. Okay, I have multiple options, so from there to me this one is looking good. I'll take this one, drag and drop. That's it. Let's click on the articles, choose anyone from this, take this one. Awesome. No, it's looking blank to me, so let's delete it. Okay, you have to delete by clicking on this delete icon and just confirm. Okay, again click here. Let's choose different one. Black may look good because here it's all empty white. Okay, black is looking good. Now let's come to this section and choose anyone from let's see this one. This section is looking good. Okay, so this is how our home page looks like right now. If you do this by coding, just to make this much of page, it will take you around 3 to 4 hours easily, and this we have done in 3 to 4 minutes by using this great tool. Okay, let's continue with the other options. Now let's choose one different option. Let's take this one. Okay, good. Here we can make it menu. A restaurant, if we are working on a restaurant theme, for example, we can say it's our menu. Or services, if there is any kind of services website, they provide services, we can just mention the service name, short description about it, and here we can give the pricing. I will show you how to modify this one as well as. And yeah, we have one more option, pricing table. This also we can use, so let's select anyone from this. I'll take this one, it's looking good. Yeah, this is countdowns. Countdowns, this one we use this when we have some offers or our website is under maintenance. At that time we use this option. So let's take this one also, we'll modify it. And this is our progress bar, so let's take this one, or you can take this one also. This is also looking good. Timeline, will not take timeline. Okay, it's not required.
I would request people to close their videos because it's going to recorded and that could be published. So people who are, I can see like a couple of people are still showing their videos. Can you please quickly close that?
Okay, now let's click on the info box, take out this box, drag and drop. Forms, if you want to if somebody wants to contact you, then you need contact form, right? So for that you can use this contact form. Let's take out this one as well. Again we have so many features like maps, social media. We'll come to this. Okay, so now let's modify the website. Before that let's take footer also. Which one is good? This one, will take this one. It's looking a bit colorful. Yeah, that's it. So this is our website homepage. It is ready. layout wise, design we have. All we have to do is just change the content, images and color combination. Okay, so this is my layout, what I was looking for, it is ready. So let's start with the changes. First, if I want to change this one, all I have to do is just click here. Welcome to CGC. Okay, simply by clicking here you can change the text. For all the text, all you have to do is just click on the text and it will allow you to change the text easily. In this one, in case if you want to make other changes, like what other features we have, you can bold this one. Okay, you can italic, and also if you want to give any specific link within the text, you can give that by clicking here. Here you have multiple options again. Pages, this will be helpful when we have multiple pages in the website. For example, we'll have home page, about us, contact us page, right? At that time it will be helpful, but today we are going to design only home page, so we will leave this one. Website address, yeah, if you want user to navigate to some other website, okay, by clicking here, so you can use website address. Here you have to give the website URL where you want to redirect them. For example, I'll give one example. I'll take facebook.com, so I'll paste the URL here. Okay, so after that I will insert the link. When user will click here, it will redirect to the Facebook, but in that case what will happen, I will show you preview. Okay, this is our preview. Website is ready. Now you can see I'm able to browse this in my browser, not the tool. Okay, so I will click here. As you can see, it is redirect to the Facebook, but my website is closed. I want my website to be open and Facebook should open in a new tab. So for that, let's come back to our tool. Click here, click on the link. Here you will see one option, open in new window. If you enable this option, when user will click, your website will be open and Facebook will open in a new tab. This is a very good feature. So your user will be on your website. He will not leave the website. Okay, so yeah, in this one we have again multiple options, title 1, title 2 and 3 and text. If I change the title 2, it will increase the font size. This is title 2. If I take title 1, the font size will be bigger. Same, 2 means smaller than 1. 3, text means it will be very light, like this. So according to your requirement, look and feel, you can make the changes in it. So we'll keep title 3, it's looking good. Now let's change the image. To change the image, all you have to do is click on the image. Here again you have multiple options to change the image. First you can choose from your computer. Okay, if you have image in your PC, if you want to upload that image, you can browse from your computer. Click on the desktop. Let's see if I have an image. Okay, yeah, I'll choose this one and click on OK. So as you can see, image is changed. I will show you another method as well as. Let's click on this again. What is another method? These are some free images, okay, which you can use. This tool itself providing you free images from other websites. It will fetch the images. There are free websites from where you can take the images. As you can see here, it's Pixabay. This website provides free images. So this tool is linked with that website. So it will fetch the images from that website and it will show here. So let's say laptop image. Okay, this one is looking good. I'll just click on it. It's loading. Okay, it's loaded. Now click on the OK button. Our image is changed. That's perfect. This is preview option. To preview this in the browser, you can click on this one. Okay, so this is our browser. So whatever changes we made, we can see here. Title, link, and image is also changed. Now let's come to the counterpart. Okay, first of all, I want to change the color of the title. For that, what I will do is just click on the title, click on the color box, and select any color from here. In case if you have, if you want different color, you can click on more or less. Okay. From here you can select the color, whatever color you like this color you can select. Or if you have color code, for every color there will be a unique color code. This is the color code. So like this also you can change. If you enter the color code, it will select the color code. And also there is one more option in the text. There are alignments: left align, middle align, and right align. Sorry, left, center, and right align. So right now it is center align. I will make it left align. To do that, as you can see, I click on the title, and this is the alignment. Click on it. This is center align. Again, if I click, it will go to the right align. So this is how you can change the alignment also. And again we have same option: title 1, 2, 3, and text. I'll select title 1 for this one. Same thing. This is heading. This is called subheading. You can change this one also. By clicking here, you can change the text. You can type anything. Okay. In case if somebody don't want this, you can simply select this and just backspace. The subtitle will be removed. Now let's change this icon and its color. Okay, to do that, I'll click on this icon and let's select any icon from here. I would say let's select this Apple icon and click on insert icon. Icon is changed. This is one option. Another option, you can go here and you can search for the icon you are looking for. I would say phone. Okay, click on it. Phone icon is here. From here you can change the icon color as well as. I will select this one, red or pink color. Just click on it. Here we go. Our icon color is changed. This number also you can change. For every text, all you have to do is just click on it and make the changes whatever you want. For this also you can change the alignments: center, left, and middle. Okay, this part is also covered. Yeah, here one more thing. In case if you inserted this one and you want counter to be after this images gallery, so what you will do is you don't have to delete it. Okay, by simply drag and drop you can do that. Click on the drag block. Okay, just drag it over here after images or gallery section. That's it. Our block is shift. I'll take it back to its actual position. Okay, done. That's it. Yeah, here we have one more option. I will tell you this one as well as. So this is when you click on the settings, this is the settings of this complete box, this box, and for this box also you have settings option. So if you want to customize, like if you want to give some space, background image or background color to this one, all you have to do is click on this settings icon, this one top. I mean how much space you want on the top. See, if I drag and drop it, you can see the numbers 6, 7, 5. It is increasing and decreasing the height and width. This is for top. Same thing will happen for the bottom also. And this is the background color. Right now it's white, so let's give it some color. From here you can select the color, red, blue, whatever color you want to give, you can give it from here. Yeah, you can also select the background images. If you want to show the image in the background, that you can select from here. You can also play a video. You just need to enable this option. Okay, video will be played. This section, it's again I have already showed in the above section. This is the text. All you have to do is click on it and change the text whatever you want to change. You can change the color. So let's change the color for this one. It's not looking good, black. Let's give some blue color and white color. Yeah, this is looking good. And yeah, for gallery also, let me show you a preview first. So as you can see, whatever changes we made, it's auto save, and when you click on preview, you'll get immediate preview. So this is our gallery. Just click on this one, it will pop up the images in a bigger size. So if I want to change these images, how can I do that? Just click on the image. From here you can select whatever image you want to replace and click on OK. It will take some time and it will replace the images. Here you just need to make sure one thing. As you can see here, I'm getting some space. Earlier it was not there. That is because this image size is different. So whatever images you want to show with proper alignment, just make sure image have same height and width. How you will get to know that? If you have any image, let me check if I have anything here. Right click on it, click on the properties, click on the details. This is the width of the image and height of the image. So every image should have this height and width, then only it will be perfect. If the height and width is different, then you will see this misalignments. So just make sure alignment should be same for all the images. From here you can write some text also. I would say image 1. Here you can, if we are talking about restaurant website or food related website, here you can place the food items images and name it like burger, pizza, or if it is related to gym, then you can place a cardio image here, muscle building, like that. Again, this is also same kind of thing, but we have different design over here. Yeah, here one extra thing is there, button. This button will be useful when you have multiple pages on your website. Right now we are talking about only home page. Okay, so as I said, if we take example of gym website, you will have cardio and muscle building exercise. For that you can create again one more page. Apart from this home page, you can create another page. For that you can mention here cardio, some description will come here, and you will say learn more or read more. When user will click on this button, it will redirect to that cardio page. To link that page, all you have to do is click on the link. Okay, here you can give the link here also. That will be a bit difficult. You will have to click on the folder. I'll show you after publishing that. Another way is here you can select the site page like this. When you save this file, publish this one, and you have multiple pages, at that time you will get here list cardio, muscle building, all those things. So from here you can select the page and just click on the insert link. So when user will click on this button, it will redirect to that page. Again, this is our product list or pricing card, you can say. Here our product or service name will come, description and price. This icon you can change. Right now it is dollar. If you want to change this into INR, all you have to do is just Google it, INR symbol. Okay, just copy this one paste it here. For this there will be no icon. For this one we have changed with icon, right? For this there will be no icon, so you have to copy this from the Google or some Word file and you can just replace it. Same you can do it in multiple currencies. You can do the same thing for euros and pounds, anything. So this part is also done. See here there are bit more space. Let's try to reduce some space. Okay, perfect. Now it's looking good. This is also our pricing kind of thing, predefined prices. So if you want to modify this one, all you have to do is click here, and this is the pricing. You can change icon, this symbol. I just show you how to change. Copy it from Google and paste it here. So here you can see we have some limited items. We have more and more. So if you want to add one more here, how you will do that? Just click here and click on the enter button. So you will get an option. I would say free domain. In case if you want to highlight it, then you can give the color. This is our countdown. In this one you can mention the days, like what day that offer is going to end, or when your website is going to launch. Basically we use this one for website under maintenance or coming soon at that time. So if you plan to launch your website in next coming 8 days, we'll simply mention here date and how much on when date we are going to launch this one. So let's say 2020 08/20. So your countdown started. After reaching to that date, it will again stop. It will be 00. At that time you can simply go and remove the block by clicking on this delete icon. This is a circle progress bar. This we use to show our skills, how good we are into something. Suppose for example, if you guys are going to start your agency or your services to provide website design services after this webinar, what you can do is here you can mention your skills, like website design, how good you are into that, 50%, graphic design 60%, SEO or digital marketing 70%. So it's up to you. Again, you can change this progress by clicking on the settings icon. Here all you have to do is just increase it. So if I increase this one, you can see here it's growing. You can decrease it and you can increase it. Colors and all you can change. Let's select blue color. Okay, done. Let's delete this blog, it's not necessary. Okay, this is our contact us information. For every business it is very important to have contact us. So for this one we have multiple templates here. Let me show you. I have chosen this one, but here we have with map. Let's drag it and drop it here. Okay, so if some client asks you, I want to show my map and I want to have a contact form, email ID, phone number, so you can use this one. Or some client will say, no, I don't want any kind of map and all, just highlight my phone number, email ID and address, and also working hours. So based on the requirement you can use the blocks. So for now my requirement is this one, so I'll delete this map. Here I will give my address 19-2-3 by A something, Chanma, Hyderabad, and pin code so and so. Same here, phone number you can give. Here you can give multiple phone numbers. For example 040. This is one. You can use comma. You can separate it by comma, or like this you can do. n number of phone numbers you can give here. Email address, same, you just have to click it and change the email address. Color, if you want to change, yeah, here we can bold these phone numbers. It's bit, it's important, so we can highlight this one and we can give some good color so users will get attract. And also you can do one more thing, just click here, select this one, click on the link. Here you can see some options, okay, email, phone number. Here what will happen, maybe you have seen this feature in some of the website or you may not. When user will click on this number, it will automatically open the dialer in the mobile and it will enter the number also. So user don't need to copy the number from the website and type into his mobile phone. So if you use this option, it will be helpful. Like you have to give the number here and just make sure you have mentioned the country code also, +91, like this. In case if you want to give your WhatsApp number, like this you can do. You can give the WhatsApp number, so it will open directly WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp it will open a WhatsApp chat option. For Telegram, same thing. For SMS also, if you want to send mobile SMS, and for Skype also. This is for the mobile number. Again, when it comes to the email ID, I would say Syed @gmail.com. Just select it, click on the link, click on the email, paste the email here, insert the link. We will test this one, okay, and also I will add here also, so we can test it after preview, in the preview or publish. 8801992245. Copy this one, click on the link, click on the phone number, paste it here. That's it. So we will test it out. Yeah, here you can see blue color. It is coming. Why? Because whenever you give the link, that will be highlighted in the blue color. That's predefined coding in the CSS. And here you can give your working hours. Now let's customize the footer section. Here these are the pages. This will be your logo. You can change your logo as well as for every website your logo should be unique, okay. Most of the time client provides us the logo, but in case if client not providing any logo, you can design it in Photoshop, or there are so many online tools or websites where you can generate logo. So let's see if we have any free logo from Pixabay. Yeah, you have Instagram logo and this coffee logo. It's looking good. Let's click on this one and just insert the logo. Cool, this is looking good. Here also we will change the logo. Search for logo. This time it's showing some different kind of logo, so I'll just leave it. But you have to select the logo from your computer because client will provide you the logo. I'm using some free logos. We cannot do like this, okay. So just leave this section. Come to the footer. These are our pages. In every website, minimum requirement is homepage, about us, services, get in touch is nothing but contact us, and selected work is nothing but portfolio. So minimum 4 pages will be there: home, about us, contact us, and services. Yeah, this one also. Here you can change the copyrights. In the free version, I would suggest don't change this name of the tool, okay, because they are providing us this tool. It's completely free. They are not charging anything to us, so give them credit in the footer section. And here you can mention design and develop by, full stop, design by, let's say, Hyder. So if you have your own website and this is your client website, you can simply link it over here and insert the link. So when any user visit this website and if they like it, they will come to your website and you will get the business. And yeah, these are the social icons. For every business there are social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube that you can link it from here. Click on the Twitter. Here you need to give the Twitter URL and just insert it. Same thing for all the social media icons. Okay, just click on it. YouTube, click here, give YouTube URL, insert the link. We are good to go. So this was our single page website. Now I will preview this and I will show you how to publish this one. Let's check the preview. Okay, good, everything is good. Whatever changes we made, we can see all the changes here. I will show you one more thing. Here we'll add one icon. Okay, icon we can add over here. In all the buttons we can do that. I'll show you for one. This countdown is also coming. Awesome, perfect, everything is good. Yeah, I'll show you this one. See, I'm clicking on the number. It is saying pick an app because I'm clicking here from the browser. That's why this one is coming. If I click on the mobile, then it will open the mobile dialer directly. Let's come back to our tool and here click on the button. Here you can see insert icon. Click here. For this one, cursor we will use. Okay, this one. Insert the icon. Perfect. Now it's looking very good. You can give any icon. Click here, just say book. Multiple icons you can give here. You can change the color as well as same. Yeah, one more good thing over here is you can change the layout also, I mean styling. So as you can see here we have multiple styles. This is one style. Just click here. See, this is another style. When you hover on this, you can see the shadow. Some shadow is coming and on the hover color is getting changed. See, this one also. So like this we have multiple options. From here you can customize it completely. You have multiple options like what kind of color you want. Let's say this color, blue color will select. Okay, yeah, so this is primary color, guys. Primary color means in all the buttons this color will come now. This is also very important thing. When you are designing a website, just make sure you are following the branding. Suppose one client is there. Let me show you Google logo. Okay, this is Google logo. So whenever you are designing a website, just make sure to follow all the branding guidelines. Don't try to get some new colors. Try to get the colors out of this one only. And when you are designing some kind of buttons or something is there, give them one unique color. Don't give multiple colors to every button. It won't look good. It will look colorful website like kids website. That will be good for a school, kindergarten school website. But when you're making a professional website, just try to focus on branding as well as like you can use green color or blue color. So right now I have given this blue color. So all my buttons will be in blue color. I will not give random colors. This one is blue, red, green. It won't look good. Okay, so now let's publish it. Click on the publish. Here you have to select your location. Click on the browse button. Let me create a folder here. Test website. Select the folder. FTP not required. These all are advanced options. Right now it's not required. Publish changes only. Yes, publish. it's publishing. It's very fast, guys. That's it. It is published also. So yeah, our website is published, and now you have the source code with you. Just click on test website folder. This is your website and this is all your code. This all you have to do is just take this code and upload it on the server. That we are going to discuss next. Our time is running out, so let's just move to the another topic. What is domain name? Okay, and what is domain? So I have showed you how to create a website easily using that tool. Now once you design your website, you need to upload it somewhere. Like facebook.com is there, that is a domain name. To show your website, you need a domain name. For example, I created my website Hyder.com, so that I will upload on a domain and show it to the users. So how you can buy the domain and what type of domains are there in the market? .com is there, .biz is there, .de, .in, multiple domains are there, .org, .net, okay. But the very famous one is .com, and .in is specific to India. So that you can buy from the GoDaddy, HostGator. There are so many providers. There you have to go and buy a domain. It will cost you around 200 rupees to 1000 rupees. From there you can go and purchase the domain. Once you purchase the domain, you need a hosting. What is hosting? Hosting is like, your computer. Now you have website and source file with you. You need to upload it on the internet. How you will do that? You need a computer, online virtual computer. So you will buy hosting and link your domain with it. As you can see in the diagram, this is your website files. This is your hosting, nothing but your computer. Okay, this is internet. So your files will be on server, computer, and this, suppose this is your domain. Okay, now this is your website. So you will purchase a hosting, domain, and point it together. That will be on internet. So if somebody is searching for Hyder website, your website will come. Like we search for this tool, Mobilize, then users can visit your website. We'll have another session on this one because it's a very big topic itself. So I'll show you real example how to buy it, how to buy hosting, how to upload the files, how to point it. That's a bit more technical. Yeah, that's it. So guys, do let me know if you have any questions related to website changes, modifications, or anything.
So guys, this is a forum now. You can ask the questions. I would because I saw Mr. Ibrahim was very eager to ask question. Mr. Ibrahim, can you go first? Do we have Mr. Ibrahim? Okay, just a moment. I'm allowing the option to unmute everyone, so please don't everyone ask at a time. Just we'll go one by one. First, Mr. Ibrahim will go, then Asmita Mathur can ask the question. Please don't everyone go at a time, please. So I'm just a moment. Yeah, here you go. You can try now, Mr. Ibrahim.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Sorry for the disturbance which I had given earlier in the session.
No problem.
Yeah, I was asking, you have created the website with the use of application. It's free of cost.
Hello.
Yeah. So it seems to be something like which is available like the wiki and Winkle and the WordPress like that. So I want to know in that website we only get like two modification drag and drop functionality. Like this we can see their source code with the help of HTML and CSS. So do
Yes.
we have the functionality with the JavaScript simultaneously?
Yes, we have, but you have to do it manually. I mean, you must know the coding, like how to do JavaScript, all those things. So you can modify it. In Wix, what will happen, you will not get the source code. But here you are getting the source code. So you can completely, modify it at any level. And if you are changing your domain, suppose you have one template you design in this tool Mobilize, and if you want to sell it to 10 users, you can do that. But in Wix you can't do that. You'll have to again create it from the scratch. uh, in this one you can just change the logo color and you can give it to anyone. Regarding JavaScript, there is no default option, but yes, you can do it by using custom coding.
वो लाल बैग के ऊपर है वो पिन बैग.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Everyone able to hear?
Yeah, walaikum assalam.
Yeah. So I have one question, quick question.
उधर तक
Yes.
माता के पीछे
Please,
कोने में
a small
टपकियां पे
business,
देखो.
if one person wants to start
खिड़की खोलो बुरखे पे गिरेंगे
he
तब.
want to build a website. So with some kind of 4 or 5 pages, like a computer kind of business with sales and service. So what do you suggest is through he's buying GoDaddy domain and he's going to buy a web hosting. So
Yeah.
With that WordPress he can do, right? So WordPress
Yeah.
and application he can use too. So should he? What the advantages if we go for using this method? So what's your point of view on this one?
See, good question. We already have WordPress in the market and it's very popular. But why we should use this one instead of WordPress? That is because if some person is there, he have a static. You are talking about static website, right? I
Yes.
mean, he don't upload new products. It's not e-commerce. Yeah.
Right.
So for that, he will design a website only one time.
Right.
So it's easy. First of all, using Mobilize, you just have to drag and drop. In WordPress, it's not that easy. I mean, you need to install the plugins, Elementor and Page Builder. There are so many things, but that is bit difficult compared to this one. And if you use this one, it will be very lightweight compared to WordPress. In WordPress, there are so many predefined files and all those things will be there, but in this one it's very lightweight. That is the one advantage. And WordPress means there are more chances of getting hacked because it's open source, and if suppose your client buys one website and that is in WordPress, and after 2 years some plugins are outdated, okay, so there are more chances that his website will get hacked. But in this one there are no scenarios like that. This is simply HTML. No updates are required at all until and unless you want to change the design. So that is the advantage compared to the WordPress. Lightweight, easy to use, and speed.
So one quick question to your point. So, for example, WordPress, where we can do this with the hosting, they are giving the free plugins and elements for all the things. For example, if you want
yes.
to build again the same, the cost will be added up, right? When for Mobilize, we can
Yes.
do coding. So, but we cannot link multiple websites, multiple web pages like home, services, sales, contact us. That multiple we need pages. So that linking for that we need to buy anything something in Mobilize.
No. In Mobilize also you can create a number of pages. Today what I have showed is only home page, single page. You can create multiple pages in it, home page, service page, contact page, and you can link it together. That is completely free. The only difference here I would say is WordPress is dynamic. If you want to post some blogs, if you write articles and blogs and that you do means then you must go with WordPress. But if it is a static website, you don't have any changes, you just design it one time and run it for years and years, then Mobilize is good.
Okay. So in Mobilize also if we develop one kind of one related to forms, I would like to ask. So shall we get the updates, the forms, because the end users may contact different people, contact us through mails and also will we get an update on that?
definitely you will get an update. In Mobilize, by default, what will happen is inform if user fail, it will open an email. So that email user will click and it will get sent. But you can customize it. From the backend, you can send it. For that, all you have to do is just copy paste some PHP code and you're good to go. Same as WordPress.
Thank you.
Okay, next
Welcome.
I am unmuting Ashmita Mathur. Yes, go ahead now.
Hello, Uncle.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uncle, can you explain countdown again? I did not get that part.
Countdown, we use it for, when our website is under maintenance or under construction. We will say our website will be live in next 8 days. So at that time we use countdown. Or if we have some offer on our website, suppose we are saying Independence Day offer we have for 2 days, you can just grab it. Only 2 days you have left. So at that time we show countdown. Like, so user will see, okay, time is running out, offer is getting, out. So for that thing we use countdown. Do you want me to show it practical?
You can go ahead and visit the YouTube page.
Exactly.
We have already
Yeah.
updated that.
We are going to upload this session and you'll get an email. So if you want to see the practical, you can just go through it and have a look.
Yeah, next I'll unmute Mr. Riyaz Ahmed. You can go ahead, Mr. Riyaz.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead with your question quickly.
Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
hello.
yes,
Ahead.
we are able to hear you.
Yeah. Thanks for the wonderful session. So I have
Thank you.
one doubt. Like I have gone to the GoDaddy website.
Mm-hmm.
So while buying for the domain and the hosting,
Yeah.
some YouTubers and some in the online market, it is showing that they are buying the domain from the GoDaddy and buying the hosting from the different side.
Yes.
And I have the question related to that. Like it is showing in the hostings page, the traffic it can be managed to some thousands. So if any website is for e-commerce or affiliate website, so if it is having the traffic of more than 50,000 per day,
Yeah.
so it is handle only 50,000 visitors, or it will handle more than 50,000 if we buy the hosting from the different platforms.
Yeah, good question. Here there are different kind of hosting. For example, I'll give you one mobile example. Mobile starts from 5,000 to 1,50,000.
Okay.
Every mobile have its own capacity. 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM, like that. So hosting is also same kind of thing. Suppose if you are talking about 50,000 users visit your website in one day, means that type of hosting you will have to take. That is called dedicated server.
Okay.
Okay, every hosting, most of the hosting provider have that hosting, dedicated, basic, all the variants. So in that one, you have to choose a plan based on your requirement. So if you are thinking that your website will get 50,000 visitors per month, you will have to take first of all cloud server. Okay, in the cloud
Okay.
server you have to take good RAM and good storage. So it will handle the traffic. But if your website is very basic, lightweight, and you will get hardly 1,000 visitors per month, means you can go with very basic hosting plan.
Okay. And another thing is that once we created this static website, and if we have any plan to make it for like affiliate platform, to get some nowadays everyone is doing some businesses with the
Yes.
help of websites.
Yeah.
That is the passive income. So can we
Yes.
do these things simultaneously if we can use WordPress and this Mobilize at
For
the same time in one?
affiliate, I don't recommend Mobilize. You can go ahead with the WordPress. That's a very good option because there are so many plugins which is compatible with Amazon affiliate and many other merchants. So that will be much helpful.
Okay, and this sometimes I used to see in the different websites, the website is not opening, like it takes some few moments of time. So as you are saying that comparing like unsweep by this domain from the GoDaddy and hosting from the different platforms.
Hmm.
So what will be the like for making the business purpose of the like website? So it is good for the server to prefer the like different hosting, or GoDaddy is the best for the like opening the website in a few moment of
No,
time.
here I don't recommend GoDaddy for hosting because I have personal experience, so I don't recommend it at all. You can go ahead with Namecheap. There is one provider, Namecheap. They are giving hosting at very low price, and Hostinger is also there. But in 2020, Hostinger is not providing good chat support and talk. So, if you ask me, Namecheap is best. From there, you can go ahead and select good plan. See, website will be down because of server. Your server is not able to handle that many visitors, so at that time it will go down. Or second condition will be there is some issue on your website, that's why it's going down. So but most of the time will
So
be request.
so overall, you are saying that it depends on our traffic. We can choose the hosting.
Yes, exactly. If you are just starting
And
and you think only 1,000 visitors will come to your website, go ahead with basic
okay.
hosting. Don't go with GoDaddy. Domain for domain, GoDaddy is good. For hosting, you can go ahead with Namecheap or
And
Hostinger.
yeah, please continue.
Yeah, that's it. I think there are so
So
many other peoples, who is
yeah,
raising
the
hands.
last thing.
Yeah,
So
Mr. Riaz,
like, can we
allow other people also so that they
only
can
like last few 5 seconds only.
Sure.
So I have one question. Like, can we make static to the affiliate website by WordPress?
See, you can do that, but I don't recommend. Why? Because every time you'll have to change it and upload the file again and again.
Okay.
Affiliate means it's a dynamic thing. You will
Okay.
post blogs and upload products, right? So
Okay.
statically, if you do, it won't be helpful for you.
Okay. Thanks for a valuable time, sir. Have
You're
a wonderful
welcome. Yeah.
next, I am going to unmute Sultan Zulkarnain. Please keep your questions short so that everybody would get a chance. So, Mr. Sultan, you can unmute.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Very good afternoon.
Just have to ask you a little small question. You have chosen MobiRise. So, is there any particular reason for choosing MobiRise, and what are the other options we have?
Well, there are so many options available in the market, but why we have chosen MobiRise is because it's easiest one compared to all of them. Just drag and drop. Okay. If you choose Wix, WordPress, there are so many other options available in the market, but that is bit difficult compared to MobiRise. And also MobiRise is lightweight compared to WordPress and any other things. And one more reason to choose MobiRise is it's reusable. So if you use any other tool like WordPress, Wix, these are the popular one. That's why I'm using this name. So you will not get the source code for Wix. For WordPress you will get it, but to reuse it, it's bit difficult. Again, you need more technical knowledge. So this one we have chosen for people who just want to start making some good money without going much technical and detailed for that kind of thing.
Right. Could you please leave?
Hello.
Yes. Could you please leave your contact number in the chat box?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I would not recommend that. We'll share with you personally because sharing with like lots of audience will get the speakers a lot of calls. So you can reach out to our admins if you are part of the WhatsApp group already. So next I am unmuting.
I think he's from Saudi Arabia. He called me. He was not using WhatsApp.
You can share him personally.
Sure.
Okay. Next I am unmuting Mr. Ghani Ansari. Quickly you can ask.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you, Hyder. Thank you for your precious time. The entire organization, especially who are working still in this pandemic without any stop, and it's a great effort from the entire CGC team. First of all, thank you very much for your all effort. And my question is, Hyder, could you please, we have published the website, but could you please Google it and let us know how to advertise the website and the few elements of how it states or ranks in when the user is browsing the website, where it states, and there are some website that which has some significant names like star and all those, which has to be paid extra amount for those important names. So how does our website stands in the on the website and how to
I'm sorry, I don't get your question. Can you please repeat it? The volume was low.
Yeah, so what we are implement is the other way.
is we have created a website. We have
Okay.
So could you please just show the demo how to Google it and how to advertise the website?
Well, that will be a different topic completely. It's regarding marketing. But I will give you some tips if you have asked questions. If you have published your website, just create all your social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, okay, and create some banners, attractive banners, and do the promotion starting through social media. And there is something called blogging. You can also do that. You can YouTube it, so you'll get an idea about it. So if you write some article, 1 or 2 article, and start doing blogging, so it will be helpful for you to market it.
And I'm going to request the speaker for the another session looking at the amount of questions and lot of still people want to learn it. So we'll work together and we'll come back with another session hopefully.
Yeah,
so next
inshallah,
person,
sure.
is the Realme one. I don't know what's the name actually. So whoever it is, the Realme one, I'm going to unmute. You can quickly ask it. Go ahead.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, Hyder.
Walaikum assalam.
Yeah, actually, I have not mentioned my name. My name is Muhammad Sali.
Okay. Yes, Salim.
Yeah, actually, I have few questions whether we can give login credentials on Mobilize, whether username either giving mobile number as a login credential with the OTP. And if we give OTP, then we should be able to log in the user.
No, where this OTP and all these things come into the picture in Mobilize, you don't need to give anything like that. I showed you, right? You just need to log in with your Gmail.
No, I'm saying, see, if I want to create a list of users
Okay.
on the website and I want to give the login credentials for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that will be, I think you're talking about dynamic website.
Okay.
Yeah, so Mobilize is completely static website. It's not at all dynamic website. So you cannot share the login details and all those things. For that you need, PHP or .NET kind of thing.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, next is Aisha. You can unmute yourself. Do we have? Okay, I'm moving to next person. This is Wasim Zika, W-I-K-A. You can go ahead and unmute. Yeah. Yes, go ahead.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Mr. Hyder, I have my requirement is I'm going to develop one website.
Okay.
With my personal name, for example, wasim.com. In that, I want to mention only few blogs which are which will be static.
Okay.
I do not. For example, introduction, then my product list. But in that, I'm going to mention that to buy the products, please click here.
Okay.
Then wasim.com/shopping will be my next page. In that, I want to have all the my product, and I will keep on updating my products in that page. So will Mobilize help me, or first will be starting and next one I have to do something for the dynamic thing?
How many products you have? First thing.
For example, it will keep on updating. Today I have 10.
Okay.
So tomorrow I will have a new products. So 10, then I will add 5 more. Then daily I will add five products in the shopping page.
Okay. If that is the case and you are saying you have payment option also, so user will going to pay you on your website itself, or are you going to
So
use
I will ask
PayPal?
them. I will ask them to contact me on WhatsApp.
Acha.
Then they'll come to my WhatsApp, and then we will talk about that. This is just to show them the products, what all products I have, and what all new products I have.
Okay, yeah, then it's good. You can go ahead with Mobilize. Until and unless you don't upload 10 products in a day, it's good to go. In case if you are uploading, 10 products you have and again 10 products you will upload after 3 months or after 1 month, then also you can go ahead with Mobilize. But in case if you upload daily new products or update products, then Mobilize is not good. You can go ahead with WordPress.
Okay. For the
Yes.
first page, wasim.com,
Hmm.
I want to use Mobilize. Then, to buy the products, click on this link. Then wasim.com/shopping will be my next page. On
Okay.
that page, I want to upload every day 5 to 10 products new every day.
Every
So,
day.
yeah.
Okay, no, then I don't recommend Mobilize because that will be, a lot of work for you to upload it. You'll have to upload it again and again. That is the only thing.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So
so
entire website I have to upload?
yes, exactly. Entire website you have to upload. Mobilize is good for static websites. One time you will upload the product and highlight your services and you are good to go.
Okay. This wasim.com is one page and wasim.com/shopping is another page. So means if I want to change anything in the first page, I have to upload the first page completely, and then the second page if I want to upload, then I have to upload a second page again. Is this the same thing?
No, if you make any change in your website, either it is first page or second page, you have to upload complete website.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Okay. Next person is Abu Sumayya Hashim. I'm unmuting you. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I actually wanted to ask how can I make the second page? Plus, can you tell me more about the hosting and domain?
Yeah, sure. But it will take, a lot of time to show that. What we can do is I will create another session or I will record a video and I will share with you guys if you have registered. So we can send you a link how to create second page, and in that I will explain what is domain and hosting and how to buy cheap domain and at cheap price domain and hosting. Hope
Could I
that will
get
be
your at least email address so that I can contact you for the further details?
I think Wahid bhai,
You can contact
did you
my
register?
number, which is 9700956245. It is already mentioned on the flyer. Text me on WhatsApp with your details. I'll connect you with Rehan. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, there is a pretty much possibility I am looking for. We should be having another session. So now next is Miss Madiha. You can go ahead and unmute yourself quickly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Can I create a user interface for my project using this app?
User interface. Can
Yeah.
you explain me a bit about it? So I will let you know.
User interface, how users will interface with us.
I mean, what type of interface? I mean, what they will do?
Yeah. What
If for study purpose.
Okay. So you're talking about dynamic website.
Yeah.
I mean, users will also interact. No, for dynamic, it's not suitable. It's a static website.
Okay, for dynamic, which website?
WordPress I recommend for dynamic.
Vertex.
Yeah, WordPress is a tool. It's a CMS. So you can use that one.
Okay, sir. This Mobilize is a without coding website.
Exactly. It's without coding. You don't have to do coding at all and without any technical knowledge.
Okay. With coding, can you suggest me something?
With coding, you can go ahead with PHP is the best option right now available in the market with lots of tutorials and resources and templates also available in the market.
Nowadays, PHP is mostly used.
Yes. And
Thank you, sir.
easy to learn. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, next we have Jamil Ahmed.
Balkar, maybe.
Yeah, Jamil Ahmed, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Ji walaikum assalam.
How many we have to pay subscription monthly basis or yearly basis this web domain and hosting?
It depends on you. They have both the options, monthly and yearly.
And monthly we have to pay 150 rupees like that they mentioned that website. Hosting domain and hosting also 150 rupees. Monthly we have to pay 150 rupees or yearly basis this one?
For domain, you have to pay yearly. There will be no, I don't think monthly option will be there for that. But for hosting, yeah, monthly option, monthly and yearly option will be there. I suggest you to buy it, there will be some offers on every festival like Diwali, Independence, and especially on Black Day.
Okay.
Black Friday.
Okay.
On that day. So you'll get it for very cheap price.
Black Friday means every Friday or?
No, not every Friday. There is something called Black Friday in USA at that time.
Okay.
Or in December. Christmas time you will get it. Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Jazakallah khair.
Next we have Abdul Salim. You can unmute yourself. Yeah, go ahead. You are unmute now. Your voice is so low, we can't listen to you. Are you there? Your voice is so low, it's not audible at all. Can you quickly put your question in the chat box? I can take it from there. And those who are asking for connecting yourself with the CPC, then you can just contact on the given number. Mr. Wahed will take it forward. 9700956245. You can call him, text him for getting added to the group. Yeah, go ahead. Who is asking?
Sir, without domain we can't publish our website.
No, you cannot publish your website without domain because that's your identity.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you must have your domain.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, those all who have asked question to asking for the link, WhatsApp group and all, I'm again sharing Mr. Wahid's number. Please contact him. He will guide you through how to add. And I'm going to take this last question. How to enable payment option? Reham.
Okay. So as I said, this is a static website. In this one, we cannot add payment option. All you have to do is you can just showcase. You can show your Paytm or Google Pay, Phone Pay, those numbers, or you can make a good picture and just scan it and make the payment and take the confirmation. That kind of thing you can do. It's a static website, so we will not have payment gateway option in this one. For that, you must go ahead with WordPress. Inshallah, we'll have session on WordPress also. I'll plan it. Not sure, I cannot give commitment when we'll have, but inshallah we'll have soon.
Yes. So we are at the end of the session. Mr. Mohan, I will take your question because you were very active since the beginning of the session. Mobilize create. Okay, you are answering the question. Mobilize create mobile website coding in the background.
Sir, can we get free domains?
Oh yes, free domains you can get it. It's available on the internet, but that's temporary. They can delete it at any time.
Okay.
.tk something is there for temporary. You can use it, for 6 months, 1 year, but there is no guarantee how long it will be with you. They can remove it at any time.
Okay, last question for the speaker. It's Mobilize create mobile responsive coding in the background is the question.
Yes. It's completely mobile responsive.
Okay, so we are at the end of the session, and thank you so much, Mr. Syed Hyder Ali, for your precious time and taking us through this session. And it was a wonderful learning for me as well, and a lot of our volunteers and the participants. And I understand we could not take a few or some of the questions because due to time constraint. And as I promised and agreed, there will be another session from the speakers probably next weekend or maybe whenever we plan based on the availability of the speakers. And those who want to get in touch with us have already shared twice the number of Mr. Wahed. Just ping him, message him, and get added to our CGC WhatsApp group wherein we share genuine job opportunities. And also we share the weekly schedules, the program like this we are doing on Saturday and Sundays. And we are trying to connect speakers from the around the globe on the various topics which interest you. So whoever is interested, they can get in touch with the admin group also. And those who want to see the session, you can go to YouTube channel, just type in Career Guidance Council there, and the session was recorded there. And also you can visit our website page. FB page, you can just type in there as well, the same name, Career Guidance Council. So with that, I would really like to thank again Mr. Syed Hyder Ali for taking his precious time, and thank you for joining, and happy Independence Day again. Thank you.
It was my pleasure. Thank you, Mr. I have one thing. If you guys have still any questions, we'll upload this video on YouTube. So over there you can just go and comment whatever your question you have. So we'll try to answer there also.
Yeah.
And yeah, one more thing. My colleague Mr. Mohan, he also joined the webinar today. So yeah, he's a very good guy, and I would say most technical things he knows. So he can also answer many questions. I will ask him as well as to help me to answer everyone in this one.
Yeah, sure. That sounds good, and we thank Mr. Mohan also. I've seen he was actively participating in answering the people. So thank you, Mohan, as well. And yes, as you said, people can just shoot out their questions at the comment section of the YouTube page. Thank you, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have one session like a general FAQs. You can have anything related to your career. Like if you are stuck of something, or you want to change your job, or experiences. Tomorrow from 11 to 12 we have another session. You can join us. Thank you very much, everyone, and see you. And Mr. Wahed has given there the one message from him, whenever you are just chatting with him, you can just ping your name, qualification, and company or college name if you are a student. And if you have any experience, just share with him. And he's a good guy. He will take your profile forward, and he will connect to you. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining this session. Have a good day. Bye bye.